Hi, welcome to today's presentation on expository writing. This video has been prepared by Sam, Carly, Alicia, and Jenny. Now, I know what you're thinking. What is expository writing? Well, I'm glad you asked. Expository writing is used to learn and share information. It includes ABC books, posters, diagrams, charts, and biographies. I'm sure you've come in contact with expository text several times throughout your life. In fact, this presentation incorporates expository writing. Take a look at the pictures shown below. You'll see 3 student examples of this genre. To continue, we chose to research the organization trait. Organization involves the internal structure of a piece. It is important that writing is organized so that the information provided makes sense to the reader. Here's a little song for you.
Writing has a good beginning, strong conclusion, and builds bridges. Writing has a good beginning, the order just makes sense. Writing has a good beginning, strong conclusion, and builds bridges. Writing has a good beginning, the order just makes sense.
Organization is an essential part of expository writing. There are many ways to organize an expository piece, depending on its purpose. Description is used to describe a topic by listing characteristics, features, and examples. Sequence is used when listing items in chronological order. Comparison is used to explain how things are alike and/or different. Cause and effect is used to explain why something happened. Finally, problem and solution is used to highlight a certain situation and its appropriate resolution. We recommend following a specific set of steps when introducing the previously described expository text features to students. First, you must present the pattern to the class, showcasing and analyzing specific examples. Then, work with students to write appropriate paragraphs for each pattern and discuss the process. Finally, have children experiment with selecting and/or locating various patterns.
Common Core state standards that address expository writing start in first grade with Standard W.1.2. It states that students will be able to write informative, explanatory text in which they name a topic, supply some facts about the topic, and provide some sense of closure. By third grade, that concept develops into the standard of W.3.2 standard, which says write information / explanatory text to examine a topic and convey ideas and information clearly. Within the standard, it goes on to address that students will be able to introduce a topic and group related to information together, including illustrations when useful to aiding comprehension. Develop the topic with facts, definitions, and details. Use linking words and phrases to connect ideas within categories and information. Provide a concluding statement or section. With guidance and support from adults, produce writing in which the development and organization are appropriate to task and purpose. These Common Core standards develop through the grades.
Now, we're going to do a brief summary of our readings. In Tompkins' expository text, children use expository writing to learn and to share information. Expository writing is often done for a wide, unknown audience. It is factual, and its purpose is to convey information about the world. Some examples of expository writing include all about books, ABC books, riddles, and charts. Different types of expository text structures are description, sequence, comparison, cause and effect, and problem and solution. Here is an excerpt from page 186 of Tompkins' expository writing chapter. First, teachers should link reading and writing. Children need to read informational books because as they read these books, they learn about the characteristics of the genre and use the format of the books they've read when they create their own books. Second, teachers should teach children how expository text differs from other genres. As they read informational books, children identify some of the characteristics, and teachers point out others. Third, teachers should teach children about plagiarism. Children need to learn how to take notes and to paraphrase the information they've read so they won't copy word for word from books when they write summaries, reports, and other types of expository writing. Assessing children's expository writing include using rubrics and checklists. Children need to know the writing rubric or checklist beforehand. Teachers develop rubrics to assess the quality of the children's work. In Tompkins, the writer's craft. The lead is used to hook the readers. Some ways to hook the readers into reading your text include stating your opinion, sharing personal experience, asking questions, using figurative language, and stating bold questions. We also structure organizations based on the text, use transitions to clarify the organization of the writing, conclude with answering questions the reader may have. Organization is focused during the pre-writing and drafting stages. Some ways to help build students' understanding of how to hook the readers are using building paragraphs, drawing diagrams, and collecting effective leads/endings.
Now for some questions. Where have you seen expository writing? Is expository writing present in your classroom? What are some of the ways expository writing can be organized? Why do you think it is important that students are familiar with expository text?